Cherry. Cherry. Hello guys, so ngayon dito na po kami sa Chiba. So hindi namin alam kung ito yung binutan namin. So papakit namin sa inyo bago kami pumasok sa loob. Ate, dito lang picture.
See, that's sunset sign in the mountain.
Cherry, dali. Yung dalawa. Kaya pa?
Show you the bean.
Pirata. Finished. Can finish. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, and this is Maya, and my real name is Jeremy Maximo. So I'm with Rose Pangaliban, my sister. So now we are here in ano pangalan nyo Sea Jewels Resort. So ito po ay malapit sa White Beach, and itong room ito is triple, so pwede siyang for 2 adults and 1 child. Tapos meron sila dito aircon, and of course meron din sila ditong TV, and yeah, they have to help some of the natawag ko din sa inanad na ako. Ito pala yung tinatawag na tamad na vlog. So wala akong naisip na sasabihin. Kasi ay pagod kami kasi umikot kami ng buong Nueva Lipanan tapos pumunta ng White Beach. So nilakad lang namin yun. So marami kaming nakita, meron kami mga ganit na naging cover ko dati, and yun, may mga guys na sadyang natagpuan ng mga tao na nakapagkwentuhan natin. And saksi ang aking kapatid na ito, yung nasa kalima ko na sobrang hirap maglakad. Sobrang haba ng nilakad namin. Simula nagbaybay kami sa dagat, and of course, dun sa kalsada. So, ito pala yung sinasabi ng tamad na vlog. Rose, say hi ka naman. So, haba. Grabe tamad. So, ito yung room namin. Tadaan! 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 So, dito kami. It's for double bed. Hello, mga people. ka.
Mas pangit ka. Mas pangit ka.
Yeah. When someone says to me, you're so ugly, tell them, mas pangit ka, kasabay. Wait, mas pangit ka.
Yeah.
Do it. Wait, Ardel. You're so ugly. Mas pangit ka.
Pangit ka. Mas pangit ka. Yeah?
Don't do that.
Yeah. No. The kids. You know the kids is it? Pangit. Pangit. Do that to me. So I don't know what's the pangit meaning, but I know it's not bad words. I said ikaw.
Pangit in English is ugly, so it's not bad. If it's true naman.
If it's true.
It's okay.
Eating breakfast.
You connect your Wi-Fi again.
Yeah, it's okay now.